So having been intrepid adventurers, we actually have literally walked through the jungle to find this place. We were told to go to the end of the beach and that we'd come across an obvious path which we didn't find. And we ended up literally in the middle of the jungle, and we had some gentlemen, really kind gentlemen, actually came out and walked us all the way in. We had to overcome fences and all sorts of things, but really cool. We tried to give him a little bit of thank you money, but he just would not take it. And I tried really hard, which is so lovely to see, it really is. So guys, cheers. This is the Hideout resort. It's about 2 resorts down from where we're staying in Koh Kood. It's very, very pretty, and obviously prices to match. So this is the lovely, nice pool here. It's a very rocky beach. There's not there's sand on this beach, interestingly. This is the restaurant area over there. And then we're going to swing around here, and then put a separate bar. Oh, there you go. So there we go. Quick beer, as we do. Be rude not to, as they say.